Hey kids, ready to clean today?
No.
Yes. Well, it is a very gloomy early August day, so we can't do much outside. I thought it was the perfect day for us to kind of get ready for the next homeschool year. So if you'd like to join me, I'm gonna go through all these cabinets. A little nervous about their condition, but we need to go through them. I need to make sure I have everything ready so that we can hit the ground running when we start up homeschool again. So I'll go through these, show you how I organize things, and then also kind of briefly walk you through some of the curriculum I'm using for all 4 of my kiddos this year. This should be fun. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it all done in one day, but I'll take you with me and we'll see what we can accomplish. Lurking in the corners. Oh, even a spider. Jerry, go get a shoe. Hurry. First things first, Jerry, you want to open these cabinets? These two have been kind of my stuff, and Kevin is working on my own office storage. This was supposed to be my office, and then we decided to homeschool, so the kids got it. But I still have some of my stuff in here, and I'd like to get this out so that I can designate these cabinets for more homeschool stuff, books and storage, which we just desperately need. Okay, my friends, don't judge. This is our office space. And obviously we need a different situation. He is designing some shelving. So we're gonna put this shelving on this back wall with some arches. I'm pretty excited. So we'll have all that shelving right here for me to add the storage stuff to. And then we're gonna put a marble countertop across these two cabinets. That will probably go somewhere else, that desk, but so long desk for both of us and lots of cabinet storage right there. So that's gonna be awesome. These mudroom cabinets are actually not all the way full, so I'm gonna take what is in the schoolroom, that's my stuff, store them in here until our office is finished. My buddy and me, he's organizing the paint right now, the little paint bin. He is stuck with me for hours. I'm impressed. We've just got piles trying to make sense of what we have so we can get these more functional and organized. It's gonna take a while. All right, this room is snug and I don't think I can work being so crowded. So kiddos, let's move this table out and then just back up. Back. Okay, let's put it on its side like a wheel. Okay. We love this table. It gets used a lot, but it's a little crowded to work in. Not gonna sell it. Not yet. We've toyed with the idea of turning it here. Can we lift it up like that? There we go. Of turning this into a library room with cozy chairs. Should we do that? Well, we kind of work on the table anyway. All right, you want to tell us how you think we should organize?
These, I think we should, these two, I think we should put some of our books in there that are all messy.
Yeah, all the living room books you need to move in.
This just needs to be organized and a lot of stuff thrown away.
Yeah.
This, even more stuff thrown away. This, organized.
Okay. Maybe should we move these books over here, so this is all the book section? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We could put Well-Educated Hearts books down here, then those books up there.
Okay. So this is not really working, right? We had some of our curriculum. So this is the bag that he kind of grabs to do his school every day. Do you like that? Is that working?
Yeah.
Yeah? But maybe we need to put all of our other like drawing books and other stuff organized better here.
Maybe we should like move a little bit there. Actually.
All right, maybe we need to just start going and then it will make sense. Yeah? Let's get the books all on this side. All right, my little guy's gonna give you a tour. We got all these cabinets organized. Show him what's in there.
So first we got our well-educated heart books in here, organized by dates.
By sections, yep. Our well-educated heart books.
And then our second is we got
These are like storybooks, right? We got the vintage books that we like. That's Junior Classics, My Book House. Then these are the books that we get from The Good and the Beautiful mostly. And then these are just other kind of stories that we like to read. All right, I got an empty shelf because I always like to leave school shelves a little empty because we'll certainly add to them. I want to make sure we have somewhere for them. All right, next.
this next one is crafty books.
Kind of activity books. Some of our curriculum that we'll use soon is up there. So let's show them some of these. Ooh, show them that.
These are bare books. They're just white. You can paint all sorts of stuff.
Color the cover. They're completely bare, right? Yeah, bare books.
They're blank, and then
Show them the one you made, the dinosaur one.
it just has facts about dinosaurs and pictures. And the smaller ones, they have
Oh yeah, the
lines.
line pages.
They're notebooks.
Yep, if you wanted to like write a story. Yeah, we love those. So we'll keep these in this kind of activity and educational bookshelf. So these are like really fun educational books. We love these National Geographic books. They're really fun. And then we've got a ton of how to draw books. Draw Right Now is what these are called.
And they're like animal ones, like
Mm-hmm.
all sorts of animal ones.
Yeah, they're kind of themed.
bunch of
Way cool. And then these are a bunch of activity books, paper planes, how to draws. So this will be kind of the bookshelf they come to if they want like an activity. These are some of our favorite poetry books. Here's a math curriculum that my daughter's not quite in yet, so I just stuck that there. Ooh, tell them about this. Don't look too close.
Every time we finish a book, we'll,
Like a full curriculum, yeah.
And then get to pick one of these prizes.
Yeah, this is our prize box. And so whenever I see something that I think the kiddos will like, I buy it and put it in there, and they get done with something, they get to pick a prize. Okay, he's gonna walk you through the bottom shelves. What did we work on?
So this one's just like these bottoms are pretty much random.
Yeah, kind of random. We got Play-Doh stuff. These hold like craft supplies, random things like paint pens and dry erase markers. That holds a whole bunch of tape. We've got, that's our glue guns. What's in that one? Our label makers. That's some of their dot art that they're working on. So kind of a random one, but still it's organized, huh?
And then the second one, we have like crafts, like we have the markers.
Yep, and you organized these yesterday without me even asking.
And then we got our color pencils. Then crayons.
Crayons, yeah.
And
our glue, which you worked so hard to organize.
And you ruined it.
And I ruined it. Okay, down here.
We got
That one's full of beads and melty beads. The one under that is like tissue paper. We do a lot of tissue paper crafts. Yeah. That pink fabric caddy just has some random art supplies and paint and stuff.
And we
Okay.
have this
This we call it the, whoops, the busy hands. A lot of times we read out loud and it helps for the kids to have something for their hands to work on. Some water paint books, stencils. We got wax sticks and clay, wooden geoboards. Just some stuff that they can quietly do while we read or learn. And then that bottom one has lots of different kinds of paints, which he has worked hard to organize. Yep, there we go. I ruined it. Oh, I'm sorry. But I'm pretty sure someone would eventually. But it's really awesome to kind of corral all of our paints in one bin. These came from IKEA, I believe, and they stack really nice. All right, dude who needs a haircut, what's in the next one?
The third one we have our school stuff we like. My school stuff, my water book, coloring book,
It's just some watercolor paper. So this is, he likes to just grab this and go to the kitchen table to work on his school.
And then we got our history
History curriculum.
And then we got our science one.
Yep. That's a little hearts and hands science we're doing this summer when we get to it.
And then
that's a new one. Maybe I'll tell him more about that. But okay, down here, this is the Dave Ramsey Junior Finance program. We got halfway through it last year. We need to finish it. It's really good. Jerry's got some notebooks and a nature notebook right there.
And
over
then
here.
We have paper, lined paper, printed paper, more printed
construction paper. We need to get more cardstock up there, huh?
And then we have
some
this
decorative papers. Yeah. And some other watercolor books up there. Other specialty papers. Oh, you want to show them that?
And then we all have this, we have this weird thingy. And then we have phonics cards in them.
Yep, I think they're called accordion file systems. Oh, turn it other way. But that way we can organize his phonics cards pretty good, so. All right, we got the cupboards organized. Next up, this is where my soon-to-be 16-year-old likes to do her school. So I've put all her stuff there, and I gotta go through these and organize them. I want her to have a desk with all of her things so she can easily find them. And then this is where my, how old is she? 11-year-old. This is kind of her desk. And then my 14-year-old likes to do her school in her room where it's more quiet. So I'm gonna go through these desks and get them organized, and then I'll be close to done. All right, we got Ray's desk done. You wanna take us on a tour?
Sure. So here's my art supplies.
Nice.
It's gonna be messy.
Well, at least it won't be all over the top of the desk anymore.
Here's all my folders for school and stuff.
Yeah, we need to figure out how to organize them, but we'll have somewhere to put
My
stuff.
book outline.
She's writing a book, so she keeps an outline there. All right.
And then pens and stuff.
Yep. She loves taking notes and using highlighters and things, so this is really fun for her.
More notebooks.
Yeah. We decided she has a problem. She's addicted to notebooks. She uses a few pages and then gets a new one. So tell them your idea for right here.
So I don't always finish my school in one sitting. And so instead of just shoving on the desk, I can just slide it in there.
Yep. So we just kept that open for like pending work. That would be way nice. She's got her Saxon algebra that she's working on. All of these are, let me show them. This is really cool. So she's on high school year 2. Each unit is like a different kind of topic and stuff, but they're really, really good. We love this. But she's also taking some college classes, so we needed a desk with a computer. And anyway, that's the tour of her desk so far. All right, Cutie, you're up. Should we give him a desk tour?
Sure.
All right. Let's see.
In this drawer right here, we've got pens and pencils and
Sharpies.
supplies like that.
Mm-hmm. That'll come in handy.
And here we've got a bunch of little craft activities.
Pretty empty, but we know that we're gonna fill it up. Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
And And in here we've got just a bunch of boxes filled with educational stuff that I can pick up after school to do.
Yeah, so she really loves rocks and minerals, so I got her a kit, and there's a box from the Good and the Beautiful company all about Central America that she got for her birthday. She was pretty excited about that. Okay, what else?
And this one, I've got all my schoolwork.
So I'm going to show them. This is a little bag that actually has handles. So if we ever needed to do school on the go, all we'd have to do is grab this. She's got her Good and the Beautiful Language Arts curriculum, her Good and the Beautiful math curriculum, some notebooks, pens, flashcards, and stuff like that. So, and then up here, what did we put up there?
I put my geology set.
Oh yes,
From the Good and
I'm
the
showing
Beautiful.
that.
It's got a bunch of like little books that you can read onto the side. And then main book, it's got just like activities, like really hands-on activities in each lesson.
Yeah, so this is actually something usually like I'm supposed to go through with the kids, but we didn't want to do geology as a family, but she was super interested. So she's just taken herself through it. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, well, it's a pretty empty desk, but I think we're gonna fill it up through the years. Way fun to feel organized and ready, huh?
Yeah.
And here's a classic example of if you give a mouse a cookie. So we got everything organized, and I decided to kind of switch out this center table. If you remember, that big round one was there, and it really just felt kind of congested. It was hard to get around, and then hard to open those cabinets, although we used it all the time. But I decided, since we're getting a new desk in Kevin and I's new office that we're working on, that this one actually might work really good right here. Just an extra place for a parent to sit and help, or someone else to do their work on. So I think it feels pretty good. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys, these maps and these cabinets and everything, I already did a homeschool room tour if you need more details and want to hear more about what you're seeing here. It has been a full day. I didn't quite get everything done that I wanted to, and especially I didn't show you everything I wanted to, but I feel like this video is long enough and I'm ready to call it a day and maybe sit and relax and watch a movie with my family. So I showed you the room, showed you how we organize things, but I didn't show you all their curriculum because I didn't quite get to sorting out the old books and getting them the new ones for the new homeschool year. So I'm gonna finish up this video and be back really soon to show you all the curriculum and walk you through what we use. If that's of interest to you, tune in. But I hope you enjoyed kind of seeing us clean out this room, walking through it with my kiddos, and seeing how excited they are just for another homeschool year. It's funny, without like going back to school, it's not the typical back to school kind of stuff, but we still get really excited just for new pens, new folders, new fresh cabinets, and we just feel ready and excited to start opening up books again. For the summer, we homeschooled differently. I just kind of read to them out loud. My husband did this like week-long treasure hunt, which helped them learn how to work with each other, and it was amazing. So I feel like the homeschool life is all year, but it just looks a little bit different for the seasons. So we definitely closed up the books and are excited to open them up again. Anyway, hope you enjoyed coming with me today as we're prepping our homeschool room, and I'll be back to share more about the curriculum we use if that interests you. And I also can't wait to show you our new office when we get going on that. So thanks for tuning in, and be sure you're subscribed so that I can send you more inspiration for the keeper of the home. We'll talk soon.